Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making Patra. Patra is a nice and spicy and tangy and sweet and savory Indian snack. It is one of my favorite Gujarati items. It is usually made with colocasia leaves, but since chard can easily be substituted without losing any flavor, I'm using chard here. So while cooking, let's remember contentment is the king of my heart and the gift I bestow on everyone I meet. For this recipe, we are going to use 6 or 7 medium-sized chard leaves. Let's take some besan flour in a bowl, add water, and some spices like ginger. I'm adding oil here. I'm adding a few spices. If you don't have some, just omit. So salt goes in, turmeric, garam masala, baking powder. So baking powder really softens it a little bit. So baking powder, coriander powder, this is chili powder, and if you like it spicier, you can use more. Ajwain, which you get in the Indian store. And jaggery, it's a unrefined sugar, and you get it in the Indian store. It's unrefined, or if you can't find it, just use brown sugar. And I'm using jeera methi powder. If you can't find it, then just use cumin powder and some tamarind paste. That gives it that tang. Mix till all the spices and all of them are really well blended and there are no lumps. Now let's prep the patra leaves. Place the patra leaves vein side facing you and remove the veins using a sharp knife. And pat dry. Wash and pat dry. There shouldn't be any moisture while you're applying that paste. And now, on the vein side facing you, apply some mixture, and like you're seeing on the screen, you have to apply to all parts of the leaf. First you apply on the back side, you fold a little bit, apply, and you have to fold really tight. So apply some more, and you have to fold them in also, the leaves a little bit. So tight, and on the sides you fold them in a little bit after you see like that. And so do that with all of the chard leaves. And we are going to steam them. So I've created a makeshift steamer with a basket. So put a steamer basket in there and put all of the chard leaves with the spice mixture in. Put it on the stove, cover and steam for about 15 minutes. And that's how they look after they're steamed for 15 minutes. Take them out, let them cool a little bit. You have to let them cool. And you cut them in 1/2 inch thick slices. And now let's temper them. And we are going to use a simple temper here. Let's take 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, a little bit of hing, and that's it. And then saute them for just 2-3 minutes till they're browned a little bit. And there you have amazing patra. It is such a delicious and simple dish there. Before we taste it, let's remember contentment is the king of my heart and the gift I bestow on everyone I meet. All right, let's taste this. It's really delicious. It's very good. It's as good as the other one. The one with the Patra leaves. This is with chard leaves. Yum yum.